Hey everybody, Randy Dean here, the email sanity expert. Hey, I got another micro learning tip for you, and I could see this one being remarkably useful for people that are Microsoft Outlook users that sometimes have trouble finding that email they needed again later. Let me explain the situation. So here's the situation. The email that you just received from an important client or vendor or customer, etc., you want to keep, but you don't want to keep it in your inbox, but you want to be able to find it later. But here's the problem. The email they sent is related not only to project A, it's also related to client B, coworker C, and vendor D. It's related to all of them. And so you want to keep it, but you're like, well, wait, if I want to keep it and not put it in my inbox, what folder do I put it in? Guess what? With this tip, who cares? Just pick one, because you're going to be able to find it once you know this little tip. Watch this. I'm going to go into my Outlook, and I've got this email test email to show you how to do task, calendar, contact conversions. That, by the way, that is another one of my videos. I'll put it in the comments. But watch what I can do with this email, Outlook users. I can open it up. And now that it's open, see right here's the subject line. But wait, did you know that you can click on the subject line and overwrite it with project A, client B, coworker C, and vendor D? You can put the code words right in the subject line, meaning that when you go back later, if it's not in the folder you thought you put it in, you can just go search for any of those related code words and find your email. See, most people don't realize that. Now, little thing though, in order for this to work, after you overtype the subject line of the email, you have to hit save, because then when you hit save and hit close, look what it just did to the subject line of the email. And like I said, then you can just come up and search. And if you click on search, you can change it from current mailbox to all Outlook items and simply type in vendor D, and everything related to vendor D will come up on your screen. Hooray, you can put your stuff away. All right, that's the end of today's micro learning tip. Let's finish this thing up. If you remember my little micro tip on PowerPoint, Shift Function F5 launches you right into your presentation. Once again, I'm Randy Dean, the email sanity expert. You can find out more about my programs and other things out on my website, randalldean.com. Obviously, if you like these little micro learning videos, I'm doing them to celebrate my big upcoming new subscriber milestone. Please like the video, make some comments, subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome. And if you'd like to get my entire series of productivity PDFs on time management, email management, Outlook usage, Google Workspace usage, smartphone tablet usage, and managing those distractions, send me an email, randy@randalldean.com, and put YouTube PDF in the subject line. Hope this one helps you. Thanks a lot.